Hi everyone. This is compound interest with fixed annual withdrawal. So I've been talking about compound interest. But this in a scenario whereby the person is taking out from the money invested in initially. What will now be the value of his money at the end of the period? Okay, this is compound interest with fixed annual withdrawal. So this is the formula to use when you have this case at hand, which is what A is equal to D, open a bracket, D0 minus P all over R plus 1 plus R, close the bracket, plus P all over R. Where A is what future value, DO is equal to initial deposit, P is equal to fixed annual withdrawal, R is equal to rate of interest, N is equal to number of period. The formula looks similar to that what compound interest with fixed annual injection, but the case changes here now. This is the formula. So there have been changes to it. We have what here before under compound with fixed annual injection, we have positive here, negative here, but the case has changed now. Okay, so this is a question to practicalize with this. The sum of 70,000 naira is invested at the beginning of 2018 and remain invested. On 1st January of each subsequent year, withdrawal of 10,000 naira is made from it. What will be the sum available in 5 years' time if interest is computed each year at the rate of 5% per annum? So this is a scenario, that is, the person invested a particular amount of money in the first year and subsequently is doing what? Taking from the money in which he has invested. It's not adding to it, it's taken from it. So what will not be the value of his money at the end of what? At the end of the period. Okay, so this is the formula to use. So let's now look at it, how it's going to look like. Let's see. We have this formula already, so let's rub it as. Okay. So we have our A to be the future value. A is equal to DO, which is what? Our initial investment, which is what? 70,000 naira. Minus the fixed annual withdrawal is 10,000 naira. All over, what is our rate? 5%, that is 0.05. Close it, open another bracket, that is 1.1 plus R. What is our R? 5%, that is what? 1.05. 0.5 plus P. What is our P? Fixed annual withdrawal. That is 10,000. Minus, what is our R? 0.05. 0.05, which is 5%. Okay, so what will that be? P is equal to, we have this to be, this 10,000 divided by 0.05 will give us 200,000. 70 minus 200,000, we have what? Minus 130. 130 minus 130,000. So you have in this form. You have your n. You have n is raised to power n here. What is our n? Number of periods is what? 5. 5. So what is 1.05 raised to power 5? 1.05 raised to power 5. Let's bring out our calculator and let's compute it. 1.05 raised to power 5 give us what? 1.276. 1.276. Press the calculator. 1.05 raised to power 5. We are going to have 1.276. So plus 10,000 divided by 0.05 is what? To 200,000. 200,000. Okay, let's put it here. 200,000. 200,000. Okay, minus 130,000 multiplied by 1.276. Get my calculator. So 130,000 multiplied by 1.276. 1.276. We have 165,880. 165,880 minus plus what? That is minus. Minus sign will still be there. It's still there. So 130. Okay. Plus what? 200,000. What do you have? Minus 165,880 plus 200,000. What do you have? 200,000. You have it to be 34,000. 34,120. So at the end of the period, at the end of the 5 years period, this is what the person will be left with. This is what you are going to be left with. Because you have invested 70,000 naira and you are withdrawing 13,000 naira from it on a yearly basis. So at the end of the period, you'll be having this particular amount in your account. So that's how to compute it when you are faced with this kind of situation. So therefore, you can do what? Manage your finance like this, in this form. Follow up your finance in this form, in order for you to know how much you be expecting, how much you are expecting in the long run, how much you are expecting at the end of the period. So that is it. We are training ourselves to become a financial manager, at least to manage your finances, to manage your investment, to know how they compute, how they arrive at, so that when you are being cheated or someone wants to be cheated, you can easily know. That is the essence of this presentation of these classes. And also, as students preparing for examination, these are scenarios in which you can be faced with. Even as an entrepreneur, as a financial manager, or any as an accountant or stuff like that. So when you invest, and you should be able to appraise it, you should be able to know how much your money will be at the end of the period. If I'm faced with this situation, if I'm faced with the other situation, you're able to do what to know yourself. So that is the reason of taking these classes. So I hope you like and you enjoy what you understand what I've been saying here. If there's any complaint, any question, kindly click on put your comment down, and I'll be glad to attend to any complaint or any suggestion you may have to this. So thank you, to meet next time.